Ever wondered how this tiny organ in your head, weighing just about 3 pounds, is responsible for your entire perception of the world? This marvel is none other than the human brain, an essential organ and an extraordinary creation of nature. It may not look much more than an organic structure, yet it serves as the hub of our desires, emotions, mind, intellect, consciousness, knowledge, experiences, and personality. The study of the human brain is a comprehensive field. Primarily, its study is conducted in the realm of neuroscience. However, ongoing research in psychology, computer science, philosophy, linguistics, human sciences, and life sciences have given a new direction to its study. Positioned at the pinnacle of the nervous system, this organ directly or indirectly controls all body functions. Structurally complex and functionally most intricate, the study of its structure, function, and interrelationships is primarily done in neurobiology, psychology, and computer science. The universe in its entirety is a confluence of matter and energy. All visible and invisible phenomena occur from the combination of these two. We and our brains are no exceptions. Creation's fundamental particles combine in different proportions to form atoms and subsequently molecules. The brain and its various parts, for information exchange and storage, depend on these molecules. These special molecules are called neurochemicals. The brain is composed of a specific type of cells called neurons. They are the structural and functional units of the brain. Their total number is more than 100 billion. Structurally, the brain has 3 main parts: forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. The forebrain consists of the cerebrum and diencephalon. The medulla, pons, and cerebellum are parts of the hindbrain. The midbrain and hindbrain together form the brain stem, which primarily controls the body's biological functions and awareness. Remember, the human brain is not just a biological structure, it's the very core of who we are and how we perceive the world around us. So, what makes up this intricate organ and how does it function? Well, let's delve into the structure and function of the human brain. The brain is primarily composed of 3 main parts: the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain. Each of these sections houses different structures that carry out specific tasks. The forebrain, the largest part of the brain, consists of the cerebrum and the diencephalon. The cerebrum is responsible for higher cognitive functions like thinking, learning, and consciousness. The diencephalon, on the other hand, regulates emotions, integrates sensory information, and maintains homeostasis, ensuring the body's internal environment remains stable. The midbrain, though small, plays a crucial role in motor movement, particularly movements of the eye, and in auditory and visual processing. Finally, the hindbrain, located at the base of the brain, includes the medulla, pons, and cerebellum. These structures control vital bodily functions such as heart rate and breathing, and coordinate motor movements. Now let's talk about neurons, the fundamental units of the brain and the nervous system. These specialized cells transmit information to different parts of the body. The human brain contains over 100 billion neurons, forming a complex network that enables communication within the brain. This network of neurons forms a topographical map in the brain, a sort of structural representation of various body parts. This map is responsible for processing sensory and motor functions. For instance, certain areas of the cerebral cortex, the outermost layer of the cerebrum, are dedicated to processing sensory input from various parts of the body. So the brain doesn't just control our thoughts and memories, but also our movements, sensations, and internal body processes. Every laugh, every thought, every heartbeat, it's all controlled by this intricate organ. So the next time you're amazed by a piece of art, or solve a complex problem, or even simply feel the wind on your face, remember it's all thanks to this incredible organ in your head. Let's take a moment to appreciate the complexity and magnificence of our brains. This intricate organ, the control center of our body, governs our thoughts, emotions, and actions. Its structure, a marvel of nature, includes the forebrain, midbrain, and hindbrain, each with its unique functions. With more than 100 billion neurons, the brain's complexity is astounding. The human brain, a marvel of nature, continues to intrigue and inspire scientists and researchers around the world. And as we unravel its mysteries, we get closer to understanding ourselves.